What's going on everybody, it's Sean here and I'm super excited for today's video. So today I'll be reviewing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 4 in the Oilers colorway. These dropped today, June 9th for $225 US or $300 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is University Blue, Varsity Red, and Black. Here in Canada, these were available in very limited numbers on Nike.ca, and they were also available in select boutiques located around Toronto as well. So specifically, they were available for raffle at Capsule, at Livestock, at one of the Foot Action stores in our city, and they were also available first come first serve at the downtown Toronto Jordan store. So the Jordan store, officially known as 306 Young, had over 500 pairs available to the public. So that's where I was able to get my pair. So jumping straight into the review, this shoe is nicknamed the Oiler colorway because the color scheme is inspired by former NFL team, the Houston Oilers, which eventually became the Tennessee Titans. As Travis Scott is from Houston, Texas, this is basically a nod to his roots. So this takes your classic Air Jordan 4 silhouette, and the upper is constructed using this University Blue colored suede. On the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as the medial side, we have this black netting, and there's also this black wing on either side that features University Blue colored paint speckling. These feature a blue suede tongue that features this black netting that covers the bottom half. Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have these waxed cotton laces done in black. At the very top of the tongue, we have this patch of suede, and it features this Jumpman Flight branding that's embroidered in white. Attached on the left shoe, these also come with this Jordan hang tag that has this Jumpman on one side and Cactus Jack branding on the other. The interior of the tongue is done in black, and they feature this Travis Scott branding in reverse fashion on the left foot and Air Jordan branding found on the right. So taking a look at the back side of the shoe, these come with this black plastic heel counter that also has University Blue paint speckling. On the left foot, we have this Cactus Jack branding done in red, and on the right foot, we have the Jumpman logo. So the inner sock liner of the shoe is colored in red, and taking a look at the insoles, so on the right shoe, these feature a red colored insole, and it has this Cactus Jack branding on the heel done in black, and then on the left foot, we have a white Jumpman logo. So the upper of these Cactus Jack Jordan 4s sits atop this foam midsole that's colored in a combination of both white and University Blue. Underneath the heel, of course, we have this cutaway that exposes the air unit cushioning found within. And the airbag in this case is colored in red. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 4 outsole. So this is done primarily in black rubber, but we also have these translucent milky colored pods found on both the forefoot and along the bottom heel. Finishing this all off, we have this red colored Jumpman. In terms of sizing, so I got these in my standard Air Jordan size, which in my case is a size 10. If you guys haven't worn a Jordan 4 before, I'd say that they fit pretty true to size. Comfort-wise, as far as most Air Jordan retros go, I'd say that these are okay for just everyday casual use, but I wouldn't say that they're one of my more comfortable sneakers in my collection. Basically, you're just stepping on a pretty firm foam midsole, and you honestly can't really feel this air cushioning underneath your heel. However, just being honest, most of us aren't going to be rocking these Travis Scotts for their comfort. From a quality standpoint, so this is where I was a little bit disappointed with these. Since we're paying a premium of $225 US or $300 here in Canada, I expected the quality on this pair to be a lot higher. Instead, what I've been seeing with this shoe, not only on my pair but from other people's pairs as well, is a lot of glue stains visible on the suede, a bad paint job along the midsole, and even in some instances, crooked tongues. So at the end of the day, this is my personal opinion, but I was a little disappointed with the quality control. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. With 2019 coming just around the corner, which marks the 30th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4, I'm expecting to see a lot of Air Jordan 4s coming out from Jumpman in the next few months and next year to come. Overall, I'm very happy to add this shoe to the collection. The color scheme is very unique, and it's a shoe I don't really anticipate Jordan Brand retroing in the future. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at sgo8 and check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.